This is my last stretch, I'm going. Let's move down. I don't want to go down there, I'm going back that way. I'm going. It's either that or you'll get your jacket and get moved. Come on. Let me just run it. Just for this. Let him come in on it. Last stand.
I almost interviewed like the ship's busy.
We are literally on here just to be a lone voice for President Trump and for Charlie Kirk. We need to be able to speak to each other. We need to be able to speak to each other without violence. Because if we go to violence, we've lost it. Yeah, we need to be able to sit down. Me and you, bro, need to be able to sit down.
What do you think about Trump's violence? Huh?
What violence?
What do you think about what violence?
What violence? What about Antifa smashing up the mosques?
They're not committing genocide to the Palestinian people. He is sending arms to Israel and killing children.
We love Trump. We love Trump. We love Trump. We love Trump. Thank you very much. Have a great day, you fascists. Down here, it's a warning. A political storm is coming. You cannot stop it. You will never be able to stop what is coming. We are politically taking this country back, not just for our children, but for all of your children too. Our country is in a state of disrepair, and we need to repair it. We have cities in our country where the white man is a minority. That is not right. We are in Birmingham.
The misogynist, the ableist.
That's why the only representation of Pakistan is getting raping young girls in this country, considering how many Muslims there are. That's a problem. So let's talk about Trump has never been convicted in the criminal court for any sexual assaults. That's a lie, and you know it. They had tried to impeach him, they tried to kill him, they tried everything. Just because he thinks differently. If you had the opportunity to, would you have me assaulted? So I'm a good friend of Tommy Robinson. I've been involved in organising Tommy's events since 2018. Is there a counter post? Fucking poppers. Is there one? Have a look at that. Sit down again, yes. The more you sit down, the more I grow roots. Come on. What was the last one? I know, but can I ask you some questions?
Trump has used the American political system just to enrich himself. He's just used it as a
He was a he was a billionaire before he went into politics.
He's a multi-billionaire now on the back of
He's
the
actually lost money being the president. Do you want me to fact check what you're saying? So you're saying.
I'd like to know what your facts are.
No, I'm not going to give you. I'm going to give you the facts that are online through ChatGPT. Okay. So what? Is Trump richer now than he was before he was president. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry.
You've been told by AI.
Yeah, but that's just they can't get facts.
No, but you just did this
It's
deal
a tricky
last
one.
week.
I mean, to be fair, the latest like
went down to the UAE.
So first
Did a
presidency
$2
in
billion
2021 started with net worth at 3 billion.
weeks
It
later.
went down. to
no,
2. Hold on.
5.4 billion. So
It's
he
because
was
crypto.
2,
It's crypto.
and now it's 5.
Yeah, but
but the
hold on,
crypto,
he's selling. Hold on. Your state. It's facts, that, mate. It's facts. Right. So in his first,
I mean, to be fair,
mate, would you rather believe me or what ChatGPT says? Why? You don't think that's true?
hang on.
Okay, anyway, so it's saying during his first presidency in 17 to 21, he was worth 3 billion, it went down to 2.3. Yeah, it went down to 2.3.
Okay, yeah.
So in his first term, he lost money. Second term, let's talk about second term. Most recently, Brian Burke said his estimated worth is somewhere between 5 billion and 7 billion, depending on the Forbes. Okay, absolutely. I told you. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say was about Forbes? Why?
You said it's crypto, yeah.
What does it say there?
Forbes and Bloomberg both have fluctuations in estimates due to the changes in real estate values. The value of his brand licensing deals, crypto, meme coin project. Yeah, but the meme.
So hold on. He hasn't enriched himself for the people. He's enriched himself through crypto.
And that crypto.
It's not what?
Well, how do you think he's making money? No. That is a system.
He's a businessman.
Whereby
Why
people
can't a
work-
businessman?
Can I say my
Of course,
logic?
so,
So, from my perspective, he's using the crypto and his meme and probably millennials as well to channel funds from people who want to pay him for favours. So they buy the thing and they say, we've got this much, and then he does things.
you don't think the left in America does that? How come
Not
Nancy
really. I don't think they do
Pelosi?
that.
How could
No.
Nancy Pelosi is a multi-millionaire? How did she become a multi-millionaire? I'll tell you what, stock interference in the 80s. You know that? They're all at
I'm
it.
not supporting Nancy
I'm not
Pelosi.
for billionaires. I'm not for millionaires. I'm for the English. I'm for the British. I'm for my country. Just like anyone here that's from a different country should be about their
Yeah, but
nation.
you're saying you love Trump.
I do.
But that's what I'm criticising, is Trump.
Oh, well, I love Trump for the reason is since he's been in, he's stopped zero. There is now zero illegal immigration in the south border. He's stopped rapists. He's stopped gangs. He's stopped drugs. No, has he been tried in a criminal court?
Yeah, but at what cost?
No,
At what?
no, he hasn't. So you don't think if America had evidence that Trump was a rapist, that he would be done in a criminal court? They tried to impeach him. They tried to kill him. The least they would have done is at least convicted him in a criminal court for rape. They couldn't do it. What do you mean? It's quite naive. What? So you don't think that the criminal court is where criminals are dealt with?
I don't know how
He's
many
not.
charges there are against him. A lot.
And why do you think they are? They want to stop him. They throw everything at him. You believe everything. You've got to. Why have you not got St. George's flag on your back? Do you care about this country? Do you care about St. George's flag? Why has none of these people here got a St. George's flag? Why then? Why answer the question? Why is there no British or English flags in that crowd?
Because we're talking about this issue. We're doing what about it?
Okay, I'll rephrase it. Why is there never any English or St. George's flags in any of the marches?
Can I answer? Because I thought about it. I would like the St. George's flag and the Union Jack to be available to everybody. It feels to me like the issue with painting on
I got contacted in the 70s by the National
Oh mate, you need to roll. I'm just telling you, you think this is when I'm going to send you love our flag?
I'm telling you,
we should all be able to love our flag.
So because take it
really
back.
sorry.
Take it back.
Sorry to interrupt into this
You wear
debate.
it.
I do need Conor Sullivan to move now.
Be proud. Take it back from them. Wear the English flag and be proud of it. It's like so you kill me. Don't talk about Palestine. How many Christians in Nigeria? How many Christians in Syria? No. It's fashionable.